kay mo introduce man sa inyong name niligabot dito. Ano niya guys? Ano niya? Ano dire sa paso dire? Aris tunga. Aris skillig. Adto pinasngilid, balik sa tunga and introduce your name. Okay? Asa atong mic, ada. Okay. Candidate number 1. So, our candidate number 1 is representing Miss Marikina with a vital stats of 36, 24, 36. Her motto in life is bahala ko diha basta iyahan ako. Go! Minus na, hindi ka ma-open of mind. Job. Okay, your name?
Hi everyone, I am Jocelyn Rubidencio. Thank you.
Representing from? Asa yung lugar na ma?
Buhisan.
Buhisan. Sige, go! Ito skillet, Luyo. Candidate number 2! Iagaw ni Mayra Biliman. Nindot kay bago? Shopee na ba? Your name and your place, please.
Hello, I'm Deborah from Guadalupe.
Miss Deborah. Please, at the back. Candidate number 3. Hindi ka, Chris na kayo. 5, 7, 36, 28, 36. Pag kunin na kanawa to 13th month pay, every bandit ang buhay.
Good evening everyone, I'm Alexandria Capuason and I'm from Barili City.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 4, please. Are you hoy? Maninawag ba? Wala kayo premium. Imagine, nasaan na ba?
Good evening, I'm Lizelle Dangas, 45, Naga City, Cebu. Thank you.
Naga City, Cebu! Ay, sa klupat mong haya na lang. Now, candidate number 5. Ang hindi. The virgin of all virgins. Wapag is madamo. Kapag ginawa ko, pero managot ay utang.
Good evening everyone, I'm Arlie Tumaki representing from Mabolo.
Mabolo City, Cebu! Candidate number 6, please.
My name is Rita Estrella representing Banawa.
Dato yung manawag. Right now, representing from the Senate office, Senator Attorney Laila De Lima. Your name and your barangay, please.
I'm Josephine Estrella Postero from Pitos.
From Pitos National High School. kini dato kay politiko bana nilo. Tili, way bana, kagwapa way bana. And now, representing the pork barrel, ladies and gentlemen. Politiko magbana. Okay, wala may bana niya. Kawalay bana, ladies and gentlemen. Go! Kagwapa ni mga Airport. Our next candidate, please. Our former Vice President, Lenny Robredo.
Hi everyone, good evening. I'm Griselda Humawas from Guadalupe City.
Griselda Humawas, Guadalupe City. And now, our next candidate, please. The Department of Education Division Superintendent. Inada ko ginagawa ng mga superintendent. Mahablong ng mga principal.
Hi and hello to everyone and good evening. I'm representing from Sitio Caimito, Badawa, Guadalupe, Cebu City.
Caimito. And now, our next candidate, please. The representative of Bantay Bata 163. Talaga, cute case, madam. There's a grade 6 sa Pitos National High School.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Shalene Postrero from Pitos.
Pitos din. Okay, last but not the least. Kita-kita ang sagan.